Aquazar's reception and concierge welcome desk where you can claim your keycard along with other items. Cheers! Cheers!
Init! Ang layo natin! Let's... Guys, let us park first. Kung tayo sasakay sa jeep, walang bayad yon.
Ilanong room kayo?
5 po, accessoria 5. Ay, kasama po.
Ay, kasama po.
Okay lang po. We're having a problem with the lock.
Lobot ang pangima.
Lobat. Ano naman ba yan? Paano sinacharge?
Kapalitan lang po yung battery sa loob.
Oh.
A few minutes later.
Ano? Ang ganda, Chay! Halika dito! CR ka? May bathtub! Wala, ang laki! Ang laki ng CR! Bakit na nakapin? Ha? Spread your wings and
Casa Binyan serves as the starting point of the Heritage Walking Tour. Here are the tour schedules. We actually arrive about 15 minutes late, but don't worry, pwede naman humabol. Once the storyteller begins to speak, you know you're transported back in time as they paint every detail, every anecdote, and every history each house holds. It's such a delight to wander around and imagine what life was like in the past.
Ito po ng bahay ancestral house po ni Teodora Alonso po, nanay ni Dr. Rosal. Although replica na lang po siya. Ito naman po ay galing ng Bulacan po. Casa Baliwag, unang pang Baliwag, Bulacan. Naitayo siya 1898 sa harap po ng Baliwag Church. Ayan po yung Casa Binondo to one of the rental houses. Ano po ba yung rental house? Yun po yung isang buong bahay na pwede niyo pong rentahan for hotel accommodations po natin for overnight stay po. No? Kung interested kayo malaman magkano yung mga rates po niya, pwede niyo pong i-check sa website namin or mag-inquire kayo sa reception area. Ito naman po yung Casa Quiapo, galing po ng Quiapo, Manila. Naitayo po ng bahay taong 1867. Bago tayo pumasok, nakita niyo po yung bahay nila? Dalawa po yung uri ng pinto. Ito po yung malaking pinto. Ang tawag po sa kanya, Puerta Mayor. Daanan po siya ng karwahe at mga kabayo noon. Tapos ito po yung maliit na pintuan. Tawag po dito ay Postigo. Daanan po nating mga tao. Ngayon po yung Postigo, maliit lang po, di ba po? Mababa lang siya. So, ibig sabihin po, ganito lang kalalaki yung mga Pilipino noong unang panahon. Okay? Sabi ko po kanina, sadyang maliliit po talaga. So, mamaya po, pagpasok po natin, magkakaalaman po tayo. So, abot ka ba?
Ay, ang ganda ba? So nice. Dadaan kami sa... Saan tayo dadaan?
Sa...
Absent ka na naman.
True.
Pwede po ang pang-plancha po nila noon, Prince Dicaan, clothes magalang English, also known as tipot press. Una, dito po sa may kahoy na to, dito niyo po i-roll yun ng maayos yung mga damit mo din. Okay, so i-roll niyo po yan. And then next po, papatungin niyo po siya. So yung unang kahoy, may nakikita po kayo dyan na butas. So yung isang paa niyo, ilalagay niyo po dito sa butas, tapos sa ikalawa sa may ibabaw po. Mababalansin po kayo yan. Pag ikit-kitin niyo po ng ganito, yung dalawang kahoy. One thing po na mapapansin niyo na common sa mga kababaihan na nasa picture, most of the women, hindi po nakasmile. Hindi sila nakangiti. Ang pagngiti, sign po siya ng flirting. So, noon po, pag ngiti ka daw po ng ngiti, malandi ka daw po. No?
It's lighting up. It's so pretty. Itinerary says we'd go to the beach by now, but we have to go on a detour because our papa needs to eat. Papa, what are you going to eat? Pa?
Barbecue.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50 per person. That's £200 off for a family of 4.
I wasn't able to record it, but after dinner, we went to Lubao for the Omago River Balsa ride. This is available only at 6 p.m. and 7 p.m. if you're going with a tour guide, which is honestly the best way to go. For 800 pesos per head, you'll get to explore hidden spots you can only reach by balsa, including some grand private mansions along the riverbanks. Honestly, there is something magical about gliding across the water as the lights from the houses and lampposts shimmer on the surface. And the homes we passed by, absolutely extraordinary. Many were originally built high on stilts to withstand flooding, a clever design that stood strong through the years.
Si Concepcion Viola, relative po siya ni Maximo Viola, matalik na kaibigan po ni Dr. Jose Rizal. At alam niyo po ba itong si Maximo Viola, malaki din po talaga yung ambag niya sa kasaysayan ng ating bansa kasi siya po yung tao na tumulong at nagpautang po kay Dr. Jose Rizal nung time na ipapapublish na po nito yung aklat na Noli Me Tangere.
This is so pretty.
And that is our Pagitigan Bridge. Mapapansin po natin, kamukha po siya nung sa may Jones Bridge po, no? Lalong-lalo na yung mga lamppost. Kasi alam niyo po ba yung mga lamppost po doon sa may Jones Bridge, dito po talaga galing sa Las Casas. Dito na po tayo ngayon sa ating Marina Pier. Meron po tayo mga yate po dito na pwede nyo rin pong rentahan kung gusto nyo mag-ikot-ikot po dyan sa ating West Philippine Sea. Don't worry, safe naman po dyan na wala kayong makikita mga Chinese vessels po dyan na nagbobomba ng mga water cannon. Malayo pa naman po sila dito. And now we are entering our man-made canal na tinatawag pong Estero de Binondo. So ito po, hango po kasi itsura niya sa may Estero sa may Binondo Manila ng araw. Kung mga istong musik yung malalakaran, mas magaling po yung pagkakas.
Welcome to the beach. Good morning. Hi.
Okay.
We're going to ride the Calesa. Ang Calesa nila sa likod. The route of the Calesa tour is almost the same as the Heritage Walking Tour, except this one takes you all the way to the Marina Pier. When we did the Omago River Balsa ride last night, we only caught a glimpse of it from the water. But with the Calesa, we actually get to visit the pier itself.
Ilang hectares na po ito?
400.
Mabuhay!
Ganda! So pretty! So hot!
Ayati mga basketball ng island natin.
Ay, papasok tayo kayo, kuya?
Pasok po tayo.
Oh! Kasi tinanong ko po namin sa jeep yan, hindi daw po
Ito ba yung beer?
Oh!
Yan, ma.
Ganda mo!
Huwag
Ganda!
Putang Maripere.
Photo Tienda offers packages ranging from 450 pesos to 8,950 pesos. We went for the Classica package, which includes both an indoor and outdoor shoot for 4 people. It was such a treat to dress up in traditional clothing in a traditional setup, and we couldn't help but joke around that Papa looks like a general. And that wraps up our Acuzar trip. In total, we spent 27,311.98 pesos, excluding transportation and personal expenses. Hope you enjoyed tagging along with us, and I'll see you in the next vlog.